Alright, what is up guys? We're gonna do a little review here. It's my first time doing a review. I'm gonna review the Samsung Galaxy Ultra, and I'm gonna start off with the case right now. Hope you guys like this style of video. It's a little different from the others. Gotta give you a little bit of everything, but yeah. Here I'm just gonna open it up with my handy dandy pocket knife. I'm gonna give you that, A1 quality footage right now. I'm just trying to get it open right now. I was having a hard time opening it, I'm not gonna lie. What do you guys think about the lining? Tell me what you guys think about the lining. I thought the lining was pretty good. But yeah, still trying to get this package open. I don't know, I was struggling. Like I said, it's my first time doing this kind of video, so I don't know, drop a comment, be like, hey, it was trash. I don't want to see this crap again. Stick to the gym, stick to what you know. Or, hey, it's pretty dope, I like it when you keep it spicy, But as we go, here's the case for it. It's like one of those wallet cases kind of thing, like one of the cases that your Dia has. But I don't know, it came free with the phone, whatever. So, I'm gonna give it a chance, Always gotta give them a chance, give them benefit of doubt. Here's the back side. I don't know what you guys think. Alright, so let's put it back away. And let's move on to the other accessories. Oh, but who cares about the menu? Out here, we don't even look at them. Trash, you know what I'm gonna do? So let's put it back into its little packaging, keep it nice and organized. Oh man, it doesn't want to fit. Every time you unbox something, and then you try to put it back in the box, it does not want to fit. I do not know why. But anyways, enough of that. This is a smart plug thing. I don't know what it was. I guess you can plug in stuff into it, and you can control it through your phone. Like you could hook up a light, and then you can turn it on and off through your phone. It also came free with the phone. So I got it through Samsung, which gives you lots of bonuses. It gave me a $250 gift certificate, so that's why I was able to get all these nice little accessories. As you see, I'm trying to open it up for you guys. But yeah, there you go. We got it nice and open. There you go. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but it's kind of small. Yeah, I'm trying to just open it up. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's actually really small. It comes with a charging cable and the power brick, as you see right here. I thought it came with more stuff, but yeah, here's the power brick. It's pretty small. Oh, then here's the actual smart thing station. It's pretty nice. It was kind of glossy. In the back, you have the QR code to connect to your phone, so you can access it through anything. But yeah, I know what you guys are waiting for. I know you guys are waiting for the phone. Cut the PS, put everything away. Well, that's what I'm doing, because I wanted you guys to stick around for it. Let's put this back away, and let's do what needs to be done. Here's what you guys came for. Here is the Samsung Galaxy Ultra 23, or Galaxy S23 Ultra, sorry. This is the best phone money can buy right now. What do you guys think? You guys like it? Ooh, there you go. Pretty nice. I don't know about the lining. I got it in cement gray or whatever, the Samsung exclusive color. Looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. So now let's peel it. Ooh, look at that peel. Ooh. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful device. So here's a 360, and now we're just gonna power it on. It usually comes in with like at least 25% charge, just a little bit. So it's booting up right now. Let's wait for it to boot up. So what do you guys think of my review so far? Am I good? Am I a good reviewer? I don't know. First time doing this. So I'm gonna set it up and then continue the video. So here I have set it up, and you know, just going through it. You know, it's going through YouTube, of course. I don't know. I'll give you the classic 4K video, but I don't know how it's gonna look through the camera or whatever. But yeah, should I open up the camera or something? I don't know. I didn't know what you guys wanted to look at. Here's the camera. Obviously, it's not gonna look as crispy. Oh, that's me. Sorry, that's my setup. But yeah, just trying to take a picture of one out, but there was nothing really to take pictures of it. Here's a picture. I don't know. I should have gone out to take some pictures or something. But here's the video I was gonna show you guys. I don't know. It looks pretty crispy, but like really crispy. But I don't know if you can tell through the screen you guys are watching, I assume. Oh, and then I put on the case. The case is very glossy. I already got my fingerprints all over it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at these fingerprints. But yeah, that's a phone for you. That's the Samsung 23 Ultra. What do you guys think about my first review video? You know, let me know your thoughts, and thank you for watching. Soldier Vlogs out.